Back now on Triad Today, and I want to tackle a topic that I want to do, and I've sort of forced this gentleman in here to ask him these questions, but he stopped by anyway. Of course, Lawyer Bates, our good friend, David Daggett, attorney with Daggett Shuler, attorneys at law, and Griff was going to join us too, but he's in a hearing, right?
Yeah, he's in a hearing.
He's in a hearing.
Occupational hazard that we have.
That's right. Well, that's good that he's working on behalf of people. Anyway, welcome to the show again.
Thank you.
Thanks for having me, Jim.
Here's what I want to do. I want to just ask some basic things about if I'm in an accident, because I've never asked you this before. At what point or why should I call you or any attorney? I mean, how do you know at what point to call?
Well, let me tell you a little story that maybe will help you relate. A few years back, and you may remember this, I was the victim in an accident.
That's right.
I was hit by an impaired driver, a hit-and-run driver. I dinged my head a little bit, and I'm standing on the side of the road. My car is not drivable. I've been in this business for 33 years.
Yeah.
And I didn't know what to do.
That's amazing.
You know, it's
because it's you.
Because it's you. And when it's you, it's different. For a person who hasn't been doing this for 33 years, the system is overwhelming. You're dealing with adjusters, you're dealing with garages, you're dealing with estimators, you're dealing with the medical aspects, you're getting lost wage statements for your employer, and your income may be cut off.
It's got to be overwhelming.
It's overwhelming, totally overwhelming.
So I mean, what is the
It was frustrating for me.
Yeah.
It was frustrating for me. So the best thing to do, and it's just like anything else that you have, you know, when my furnace goes down, I call somebody who knows what's going on about the furnace.
Right, right.
When my car breaks down, I get somebody who can analyze the problem. Same thing if you've been in an accident, particularly if you're injured, but anytime you've been in an accident, call somebody who knows what they're doing. Many times when we get calls, what we're doing is just giving some basic advice, guidance, and direction. Sometimes that crosses the line and it needs representation. We're pretty good about advising people when it is or is not in your best interest to have somebody involved helping you. Sometimes guidance and direction takes care of the situation. Did about 3 or 4 of those this morning. Sometimes it turns into a situation where you really need representation to look after your best interests and the best interests of your family.
Is there anything I should, like if I do want to consult with you, whether or not you end up saying, Jim, you really don't need an attorney, here's why, or yeah, we'll help you, or somebody else can help you. Is there a point where I should know to bring certain things with me, or at what point in the process?
Not really, because once you contact our office or somebody who knows what they're doing, they guide you through that process and tell you what you need to bring and what you need to do and those sort of things. The big thing you need to do, and it's comforting, is have somebody who's on your side looking after your interest, giving you the advice and guidance, whether it's representation or not.
Right.
Because remember, the insurance company's job is either to find that you're the one at fault or to deny and reduce your claim.
Oh, yeah,
that's their job.
Yeah, that's something I almost forgot I wanted to ask you about, filing claims. I mean, it sounds like a simple thing to do, but again, as you said, the insurance company isn't sitting by the desk saying, hey, you know, I looked at my watch today and I'd like to help Jim Longworth in any way.
No. You know, just right now, ask you, who would you call?
I don't know. I mean,
where do you get the number?
So you can help me file.
What do you tell them?
Right.
Yeah, all that sort of thing. Yeah, that's the beginning of a process that very quickly can get overwhelming and quite frankly, very frustrating.
Well, I appreciate you answering those. I mean, I know we do a lot of things. You do a lot of things for the community, and we'd like to get you in here and talk about that. But I wanted to just sort of grill you on that because I had some questions that I needed to get answered.
And you like grilling lawyers.
Well, I like grilling lawyers anyway. That's right. DaggettShulerLaw.com is the website, or you can call 336-724-1234, which I hope you'll do and get more information. And these guys are great about sitting down with you and. Except for Griff, he didn't sit down here at all because he's out helping somebody.
He's out helping somebody,
That's right.
absolutely.
Thanks for everything, pal.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
We'll be right back after this.